we will present a feature of XM Broker. In today's video I will talk about one of the great features of this broker, and this is XM Broker's Calculator. XM Broker comes with a calculator and you can get all the information through it. You can know everything like currency rate, swap rate, margin, loss and profit in a particular pair. In other words, it will give you great benefits. Moreover, in today's video we will show a surprise for those who are new and for those who have trouble calculating the pips and SLTP. We will show a system as a solution. So in today's video we will present what this calculator is, how to use it and its benefits. I will try to present all these issues simply in today's video, so stay with us. I hope you are all well. Let's discuss the calculator first. We have to do a lot of calculations in our trading. Moreover, if you know some calculations in advance, it will be convenient to take an entry. Everyone knows what the Forex market is. This is the currency market. Now you come to trade, but you have no idea about the currency or the pair in which you are trading. Or you have taken an entry but can't calculate the pips due to which you can't follow the profit ratio. Then you are lagging far behind. So let's see how to use it and collect information from it. In short, if you want to take all the benefits from XM, do not forget to create an account under the link given below. This will allow you to make a local deposit of at least $50. Otherwise, the minimum local deposit amount here is $100. Moreover, if you want to trade in low spreads, do not forget to create an account from the link given below. So you will come to the home page of this broker at the beginning to use it. Then you see there is an option called Research and Education. It is easily found on the top. Click on this tab. Then there is an option called Forex Calculator at the very bottom of this page. Click there. Then you see a new page. Select your desired option from here. For example, if you only want to know about the currency, that is, what is the currency rate, then you can select this option. Or if you want to do margin calculation, then select this option, or want to do swap calculation, then select this option. Or click here to calculate profit and loss. In general, select the option that you need. Or if you want to take them all together, you can see above there is a tab called All-in-One Calculator. Click here. I clicked once and a page opened. Here also you will find all the previous options. As you can see here, all-in-one is written next to the currency, then pips. All the options are here like before. You can use whatever you want through it. So first we are using currency. That means what is the rate of any currency. So we trade more in EURUSD. So first I selected the option Euro, then I selected the option USD. Now let's see how many dollars in 100 euros. We completed the form, then clicked on the option below. You can see the answer is come. That's 107 US dollars per 100 euros. Again, if we want to calculate the swap, then click on the swap option. We clicked on it and it came to the front. Here also some information has to be provided. First of all, the currency of your account. I selected the USD. Then we selected EURUSD as a pair. Then there is the account type, which means you have to select an account such as cent account, micro account or whatever you are using. We have selected the standard account from here. Then select the lot size. This is because lot size plays a role in determining the swap. We selected everything. So let's see the result. We have the result in front of us. According to the information we have filled in the case of long, that is, if you take a buy entry, you will have to pay the swap, but if you take the sell entry, you will be given the swap. Each currency is different, but if we change the currency pair, then the swap is also changed, that you can see. Now the rate has changed. In this way, you can know in advance what kind of swap you will get or have to pay. If you want, you can also calculate how much profit you will make per pip from different pairs. As we come to this option, we select our base currency, then pair, lot size and account type. Here it is seen that we will get 10 cents in 0.01 volume. There is another big advantage here which I am presenting now, so listening with a little attention. There are so many we can't do pips calculation. In many cases, it is difficult to calculate because many of these things have weaknesses due to which it is difficult to set up your own profit or SLTP. In that case, this calculator will give you great support. How? So let's take a look. But before that, I would like to make a small request to those who are new to this channel and who do not subscribe to Forex BD. Please subscribe and click the bell icon right now. So the thing we wanted to present is the SLTP setup. Especially those who are new to Forex have more problems with this. So today we will tell the way to solve this issue. Well, first we select the currency, then the name of the pair you have traded, then the name of the trading ID, and then you have to write the volume, that is, how many lots you will use. Now notice a little, you will write the price in this option. That is the name of the point from which you entered or will take. Well, if you look at the chart, you can see that the market is in this place now. If you want to see its price, then the price of this position is written next to it. So we will write it here at the calculator. We wrote it. Write in this part how many dollars you want to take SL. In the next part you have to write how many dollars TP. We wrote $10 and $30 respectively. Now go down a little and you can see here that buy and sell is written. You have to select whether you will take a buy or sell entry. We selected buy. Then if we calculate, we can see that some information has come. In other words, if you take a buy entry from that point in the market, then you have to set up a stop loss at this point. That means if we want to take a stop loss of $10, again since we want to take $30 TP, then we have to set up TP at this price. In other words, these points should be written in place of TP. If you set up SL and TP by calculating the dollar, then you can see the price in which place you will set up here. We can see 100 pips and 200 pips. I hope you can guess how useful it is. However, don't forget to make an account from the link given below. You will be able to take innumerable benefits from here. Forex BD officially works with the broker, so you can take all kinds of benefits from us. We will make a request to you wherever you create an account, broker house or payment gateway. You must use the Forex BD's link. This will keep your account safe at all times. You will be able to participate in any type of contest. You will have the opportunity to trade in 0 pips spread. So be sure to account under the link given below. And if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button because your likes and comments give us confidence to do something better. And if you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment so that Forex BD can meet your needs all the time.